Some questions grow louder the quieter the world becomes. One of them is this: why does anything exist at all? Why is there matter, light, space, and not simply nothing? It sounds like a simple question, but it leads us to the very edge of what we can know, and maybe beyond. Part 1. Nothing is not nothing. In physics, nothing isn't as empty as it seems. True nothingness, no energy, no time, no law, may not even be possible. Even the vacuum of space isn't empty. It seethes with quantum fluctuations where virtual particles briefly flicker into existence, then vanish. Some theories suggest out of such a vacuum, a universe could emerge. A moment of instability, a ripple that becomes reality. Part 2. The Big Bang was not an explosion. The Big Bang wasn't an explosion in space. It was the beginning of space and time as we know it. So what came before? Maybe before is meaningless, if time itself started there. Some models propose a bouncing universe, others a quantum fluctuation in a timeless void. But each answer only opens new doors. Why these laws? Why this energy? Why any of it? Part 3. Why not nothing? Maybe nothing is unstable, maybe something is simply more likely, or maybe there's no such thing as absolute nothingness, only the absence of structure we can perceive. Some thinkers say we ask this question from within existence, so we're not really equipped to imagine what nothing even means. Perhaps the question itself is the echo of a mind trying to understand its own improbable being. Part 4. What it means for us. Everything you see, think, or remember exists only because there is something. Not just life, but a stage for life to happen, space to move, time to change, matter to connect. The greatest miracle may not be that we exist, but that existence is even an option at all. Why is there something rather than nothing? Maybe we'll never know. Maybe we don't need to. Sometimes, it's enough to look up and simply know. There is. CosmoFiction. Stories between space, time, and imagination.